super creamy garlic chicken breast. Guys, this is so delicious, so amazing, out of this world. I am trying to tell you. And guess what? I'm about to show you how to make this simple recipe at your home. It takes no effort at all, and this goes perfect with some rice, goes perfect with some pasta. There's so many combinations you can pair this dish with. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Alright, I have my 2 chicken breasts, and we are going to begin by pounding these out. If you don't have like a little meat tenderizer like I do, you can go ahead and grab like a rolling pin or whatever you have on hand and just get to banging and flatten this meat out just a little bit. I'm just gonna go ahead and drizzle a little bit of olive oil on these bad boys and give them a nice luxurious massage front and back. Guys, massage all that olive oil in. Once that's all said and done, we are going to move on to the seasoning. On the screen, I have a list of what you'll need to get together my little all-purpose seasoning. Go ahead and get that together and go crazy. Be generous. Make sure both sides of this chicken is well covered up and all of that goodness, guys. Make sure you season up your food right, because you know the motto, ain't nothing bland over here whatsoever at all, guys. Go ham, go crazy. Go ahead and get your pan nice and hot. I got my pan to about a medium high. I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil in there, as well as drop a little bit of unsalted butter, as well as 2 garlic cloves. Once you let this go for a little bit, your butter gets all melted up, that garlicky aroma's in the air. It is time to grab your chicken breast, get it in this pan, and let that chicken get to sizzling. Let it do its thing for a little bit. Once you have a nice beautiful crust on that first side, go ahead and give it a nice flip. Go ahead and flip that chicken. And if your chicken doesn't look beautiful like this, please kindly send it back to the kitchen where it came from. Better yet, send it to the farm, because we don't want it. If it ain't looking like this, I'm trying to tell you, go ahead and let that second side do its thing as well. Once that second side is all cooked up and your chicken is about fully cooked all together, go ahead and remove them from the pan so we can move on to the next step. And if you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to leave your boy a like, as well as a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you're new to the channel, definitely hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell as well so you don't miss out on the latest video. So once your chicken is out the pan, go ahead and remove the garlic cloves as well. And we are gonna toss in some minced garlic as well as some chopped up onion. Go ahead and let that sizzle up, let that aroma hit the air. Go ahead and let it go till your onions are kind of looking a little bit of translucent. Go ahead and give it a stir. Let it sizzle up, let it do its thing, guys. Man, I don't know about you, but I love me some garlic. So the next step will be adding in our chicken stock as well as our heavy cream. We're gonna get both those in the pan, as well as a little bit of Italian seasoning. You're gonna get all those in there and you're gonna give it a nice little stir. Get everything combined, get everything talking to each other, get the party going, guys. Man, like I said, there's so much going on with this, so much flavor, guys. From this way, that way, left, right, up, down, flavors everywhere, guys. You are going to love it. I'm trying to let you know, man, you're going to be missing out if you do not try this recipe. So go ahead and let that bubble up, let it come to a little bit of a simmer, and then we're gonna reintroduce our chicken just for a little bit, probably about for a minute or so, just to kind of let it soak in all of that goodness from our creamy garlicky sauce that we got going on. And once that's all said and done, you go ahead and actually spoon some of this goodness on your chicken as well. And like I said, let it go for about a minute or so and go ahead and remove it from the pan. So as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this pairs so well with some pasta, rice, veggies. There's so many ways that you can enjoy this dish. And what I'm doing here, I'm just slicing this chicken up, which is totally optional. You can leave it in one piece if you want. But guys, look how juicy this chicken is, guys. Man, oh man, is this some good stuff right here. Go ahead and spoon some of that good old sauce as well. Go ahead and drizzle it right down the middle. Look at this presentation. How beautiful is this, guys? I'm trying to let you know, like, man, if you love garlic, you're gonna love this, guys. And wow, look at that. Look at the color on the chicken, guys. Look at the color. Look at that minced garlic. Look at that onion right there, man. Oh my goodness. And there you go. There you go. Look at that chicken, guys. I'm trying to let you know, man, like there are so many flavors going on. It is crazy. I love me some creamy chicken, and this is it right here. This is something special. And I cannot wait for you to try this at home. And once you do, come back in the comments and let me know how you enjoyed it. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I will see you on the next one. Deuces.